is the people of ancient Sumer, a civilization that flourished in southern Mesopotamia around 4100 to 1750 before Christ era. So, in the 2900 BC, beginnings of Egyptian hieroglyphic writing. In the 13,000 BC, tortoise shells and oracle bone writing were used. And in the 500 BC, papyrus roll was used. So, ang papyrus rolls is from a book or document made from papyrus sheets. And the next is the 220 BC. So Chinese small seal writing was developed. In 100 AD, book, parchment, codex. So ang book is an early parchment book. The codex is early form of a book. Next is 105 BC or 80. Woodblock printing and paper was invented by Chinese. So ang woodblock is kanang mag-carve ito karang sa kahoy din ipaluma nimo sa mga papel mo na siya gitawag nga woodblock printing. In 1455, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press using movable metal type. So 1845 si Johannes Gutenberg invented ang printing press using movable metal type. In 1755, Samuel Johnson Dictionary standardized English spelling. So, si Samuel Johnson daw is itong standardize ang English spelling in 1755. In 1802, the Library of Congress was established. Invention of the Carbon and Art Club. So, this is ang Carbon Arc Lamp is an early type of electric light. And in 1824, research on persistence of vision published. Wow. Then, ang una daw is in 1830s, first viable design for digital computer. So, ang Augusta daw is ang first computer program. In 1837, invention of telegraph in Great Britain and USA. So, ang telegraph is a communication system that transmit